So we're covering all the tools you can use for Instagram, and one of the best ones is obviously Canva, which is a free tool, but I do recommend the paid one. It means that you can actually schedule in here if you want to, and it's got a lot of information. But I wanted to show you this. So in the search bar, if you just press set, what happens is there's a whole lot of different people who have come and created a whole lot of different sets for different things. So, and you can come in here and choose a style that you like. So let's just try and use this one, just as a random one. And then what you can do is you can choose this designer set and come in and you can custom make the look and feel with it by changing the colors. So if you have the pro account, you have uploaded your styles and your colors. So I come into styles here and I can mess around with this by choosing my style colors. So I've got, here's my colors here. And so I can just shuffle it until I go, yep, I like this combination. Let me just do it one more time. So it's shuffling away. It really likes that combo for some reason. And then I'm going to press apply to all pages, and it will change the color to be the same on all of them. And then I might go, okay, I don't know if I want to have that font, so I'm going to change the font to this font. And then I can, so that's going to be changed there. And then I can also make that apply to all pages, so that the change is going to fit for everything. Or I could choose one of these ones here. So they have lots of different ones in here that you can use. And then I can press apply to all pages, and it will change the look and feel across all of them. So if you don't have a design look, it's such a great tool to be able to use. Another little cool thing you can do then is you come like this and you search like this. I'm going to go and just search a little bit here, and then I'm going to go and copy that, and then I'm going to come back to the set that I did here and search, and it should come up with a whole lot of other, see, there's that one. These are all the other ones. So there's actually a story one, and there's other ones that I can use to create a look and feel across my whole brand, so it's nice and consistent.